What's up? These are the Yeezy SL-02s. I've had these for... How long have I had these? Let me check. Let's go through the emails and see where we're at. Chai's very excited about the video. Let's see. SL-02. Just search it up in my email. Or I guess I could look at my YouTube page and see when I got these exactly. You know what? That's actually going to be better because the emails don't show when it's delivered. YouTube, Josh Man Broadcast. I love that channel. Um, let's see, videos. This is a very impromptu video, y'all. I'm literally just hitting the record button. I guess the bag video and the hat video kind of got me back in my rhythm. So now we can make those unplanned, just like whatever update videos now. Plus, I've been super busy, and yeah, I got probably well, yesterday I probably got 3 hours of sleep in that 24-hour spiel. Just a lot of work, and then I had to go to class the same day, and I did get to catch up on some sumo wrestling though, so that was pretty cool. That was one good reason to be up all night for all that shenanigans. Um, SL-02, dang, I must have had these for a while. Uh, SL-02 first impression. Where are you? Looking. First impressions was 2 months ago. All right, so this is a 2 month review. And I got a US size 12. Doesn't really matter about shipping. How long do these things take me to get? Did I put it on the other video? This thing I'm wearing. Okay, yeah, it took 5 months to get. Okay, and I got a duplicate. So yeah, 5 months to get. It took 5 months for this HT1. It took 5 months for the BG1. So if you want to get these, and I mean, I think things are improving as far as our shipping goes, but if you want to get these, it'll probably take about 5 months to arrive, maybe a little bit shorter. And I'm in the southeastern US. But yeah, 2 months I've had these things, and I'm telling y'all, I've been wearing these things near daily. Okay, it might change in the summer because it's getting warmer, and these don't exactly have the best insulation. Uh, Sizing wise, and this kind of goes into the insulation bit, they are, I mean, SL, and I think we knew about the SL-01, it means sort of a slipper. And even though the silhouette is not exactly a slipper for this SL-02, I mean, it's obviously a shoe silhouette, right? And people are going to expect it to fit like an average tennis shoe. But it just seems like a lot of the stuff in the SL range is meant to fit a little bit large. So I did get a full size down from my true to size, so I got a size 11 instead of a size 12, and this fits me perfectly with a little bit of wiggle room, but enough to where I feel like okay, I got a little bit of ventilation because I have that bit of wiggle room, but it's not so loose that it's like constantly giving me heel lift or I'm constantly just super distracted by all the foot movement. I got plenty of toe room, but the thing conforms to my foot well enough to the point where, okay, it feels like a very controlled walking experience. And I can run, I can jump up downstairs, run the grass, go on trails. That's the secret sauce of the shoe actually is going on trails. It by no means is it very plush compared to like your 500s or compared to your slides, but there is a thick enough platform here to where you don't feel uncomfortable walking on gravel or woodchucks or anything like that, I would say. But again, they're not like foams or like the 350s or anything like nothing like that. These are definitely a barefoot feeling shoe without the barefoot feel. I hope I explained that. I hope that's relatable enough to people. I also have this brand new pair that I haven't worn because I got two of these. So I have one pair that I've worn and then the other pair that I haven't. So we got the pair that's unworn on the left and the pair that's worn on the right. So you can obviously see it's kind of morphed a little bit, kind of that opening is kind of opened up a bit. Side profile. And then let's look at those shark teeth. So it's definitely smoothed out a little bit, but not as much as I thought it would, given how often I wear these things. But how have these things been in the last 2 months? I mean, kind of hinted at it at the beginning of the video. They've been amazing. I can just slip these things right on, not worry about them, like at all. Like if it's raining or if it's even a little bit cold or even if it's super cold, like I don't have to wear boots if I'm wearing like good socks and some pants. And then I can just throw these things on and I'm good in like 30-degree weather. If it got any colder than that, then maybe I would want to wear some boots or something else. But I mean, th- they're not very breathable, so they work perfectly when it gets a little bit cold outside. You got to take your HT4 beanie, and and yeah, I've thoroughly been enjoying these things. I mean, one other thing I've just noticed too that I should probably point out: the creasing. All right, the creasing is there, but it's something you kind of get used to seeing, and also kind of the shine has died down a bit. It's not as glossy. It's more matte now. But that's about it. And I'm not too worried about that. It's like with a lot of the Yeezy stuff that I buy, it's like no longer. How do I explain this? So I feel like in the past, a lot of Yeezy stuff, right, was like ultra rare and like ultra exclusive. You kind of want to baby it. That's not how I feel about Season 10 at all. And I think any preservation that is happening is because, yeah, like they could randomly get rid of some stuff and they I don't know. That's really the only reason. Sometimes things can leave the site without warning, like my LS13 and my JC2. So I mean, those I guess I can baby a little bit, even though I don't. But yeah, especially when it comes to these shoes, like there's not been one pair since the China pair of the pods that I haven't like constantly worn, constantly just kind of beat up. I mean, like not doing like any kind of pressure testing or anything. Like I actually use my stuff. Like the HD1 that I'm wearing right now, it's dirty. My SL2s, they're dirty. They're creased up. And I like it's just amazing now that I can wear this stuff and like not really worry about it. All the stuff is really kind of solid. And I mean, like it's not meant to be some super high-end fashion thing anymore. It's meant to be like your essentials. And that's exactly how I've been using it, and I've been loving it. Honestly, like I love this jacket so much. I love the fit. I love these SL2s. I mean, they just work. They're workhorses. I mean, you could probably wear these to some jobs. I mean, they're probably not the best toe protection, but as far as like wearing them in the rain, wearing them in any kind of inclement weather, you don't have to worry about them getting dirty. They can get dirty. It's spilled coffee on these things. And you just take a little towel, wipe it off. You're good to go. So I mean, like they're not like your Rick Owens over here, where they cost like $800 and you got to baby them like crazy. Even though I'll be honest, I don't baby these as much as I probably should. I need a second pair so I can preserve these. But yeah, it's a whole different world. Like Yeezy now is like an essentials company. I mean, yeah, it takes forever for stuff to get here, but I mean, if they fix shipping, then they're pretty much the new Gap, maybe. So that's kind of a stretch, but that's just like the first thing that kind of comes to my mind. But yeah, I'll try to record some B-roll here and there, show some usage. But that's really all I got to say about the SL2s after 2 months of use. Do I recommend them? Yeah, I still recommend getting a size down, I'd say. But yeah, I don't think if you expect it to be at 350, you're going to be disappointed. If you expect it to be a rain shoe, you'll be perfectly fine. And like I said, I don't really worry about like I like wearing them with pants. I wouldn't wear these with shorts. So styling wise, I say like yeah, some like these are probably the least baggy pants I would wear them with. I probably wouldn't wear these with anything more skinny than my uh guess what Gap pants that I'm wearing right now. So yeah, I probably wouldn't wear it in the office maybe. I heard like offices you need like a heel, like a separate heel to be considered like more of a formal thing. Even though I think these things look pretty dang formal. I think if I had to go into the office, I can get away with these. But whatever. Maybe the BL ones, I can get away with those, but still waiting on those. So I can't wait to do a comparison between these and the BL ones. It's going to be pretty cool. Um, But yeah, they do look good with baggies. But yeah, I wouldn't wear them with skinnies. I wouldn't wear them with shorts either. And I probably wouldn't want to wear them with shorts because that means it's hot, and yeah, your feet will probably burn up in these. I mean, I wore these out a couple of days ago when I was around like 75, 77 or whatever, and I did notice the heat a little bit, but it wasn't horrible. It wasn't horrid. Um, anyway, I'm rambling at this point. Thank you all for watching this video as always. Just leave your questions in the comments if you have anything, and yeah, more soon.